Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix too many requests on Microsoft Teams. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over and open up your app store and then tap on the search icon on the bottom right, and on the search bar simply type in Teams. Now once it loads, simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But for some reason, if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over back to your home screen and then tap on your settings. Now once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Now once you're inside your general, tap on iPhone storage. Now once you're inside your iPhone storage, here what you need to do is scroll down until you find the Teams app. Let me just assume this Gmail is the Teams app, and on tapping it you'll be provided with two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which is present in the app that might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once that's done, all you gotta do is go back and try again, and that will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.